You can change your Facebook profile name in just 2 minutes. How is that possible? Let me now show you practically. First, you should go to the Facebook app on your device. Once you are in the app, just click on the profile icon. After clicking, you will see a settings icon. Just click on that. After clicking, you will now see an option called Personal Details. Just click on that particular option. After clicking on Personal Details, you will now see an option called Profile. Just click on this specific option. The profile icon will appear again. Just click on it once more. After clicking, you will see an option called Name. Click on Name. Now you will see your current name displayed here. So since you want to change your name, simply delete the current name and then enter your new name. After changing the name, you'll see an option below called Review Change. Just click here. After clicking, you'll see 2 options appear. Select the one you want to keep. Then below you'll see an option called Save Changes. Just click here once. After clicking, your name will be changed within a few moments. This is how you can very easily change your Facebook profile name. So guys, that was my video for today. If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel to stay with me. Thank you.